We are at the claw machine paradise.
If you only had 24 hours to explore a destination, how would you plan your time?
It's 11 p.m. Most people will go to the iconic night market around this time, but I'm gonna take you to someplace special. We are at the claw machine paradise.
Claw machines are believed to have originated in the United States in the 1890s. They gained popularity in Asia during the late 1970s. The claw machine phenomenon in Taiwan is a prevalent cultural trend. You can even find specialty stores just for claw machines.
This is the largest claw machine store in Taipei. You know, back in the days, you can only get dolls from the claw machine, but now it's really diverse. They have so many different products.
Nowadays, there's a wide variety of machines available, and prices are no longer limited to just stuffed animals or toys. You can find drinks, snacks, and even household items like toilet paper, laundry detergents, and more.
Let's see if we can fit all the basket today. Wow, you can actually exchange it to real frozen meat products. This is like shopping at grocery. Let's give this a try. Oh. All right, another try. This is actually really hard. No! We can't do this. We have to find an expert.
前面那边 L 型都是我们的抢位，稍微抓外面一点，
外面一点，
因为外面你抓到以后头比较容易放掉。
Wow! Challenge accepted. I'm a changed man. Let's give this another try. All right, we'll get. Come on, please, please, please. One last try. Wait, I got two. Two breaths, two breaths. Actually smells like bread too. Okay, I think we can exchange to real bread. 我想要换这个。
换这个。
对。谢谢。It's past midnight now. If you're worried about where to go, don't have to. Taipei still has a lot of attractions going on during this time. And if you're feeling a little hungry like I do right now, I would recommend you some authentic street eatery, Taiwanese beef noodle soup. Most importantly, it opens for 24 hours. That means you can go enjoy anytime you want.
Normally, people have beef soup and noodles, but you don't see them put together. However, in Taiwan, beef noodle soup is an iconic Taiwanese dish that's deeply embedded in the country's culinary culture. Renowned for its distinctive taste, it has gained worldwide recognition. In Taipei City, the number and density of beef noodle soup shops rank the highest in Taiwan.
谢谢，
请慢用。
谢谢。Hot steaming beef noodle soup. You can pick the size of your noodles. So it looks kind of like udon, but a thicker version. Some people may call it hand-pulled noodles. Personally, I like it a little overcooked, so I like it softer. Look at that. Let's have a taste. It's really chewy and goes along with the broth so well. So flavorful and rich. Try the beef. Wow, look at the tendon. This is not just about the late night noodles. It's about the local culture and connection between people and share their food and experiences while having a midnight chat. So if you ever come to Taipei, make sure you come give this a try.